If I had $1 for every time I heard a YouTube guru say, you gotta use YouTube Shorts, man. If you wanna grow, you gotta use YouTube Shorts. You gotta use YouTube Shorts. Look at me, okay? Look at me. And I'm gonna hold your hand when I say this. YouTube Shorts is the fastest way to destroy your channel. Yeah, I said it. What? I said it.
You need to leave.
Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why as a beginner YouTuber, you should not be posting shorts to your channel. Oh, before we get into this video, I am Trey. You are watching Learn with Trey, where we learn everything there is to know about YouTube. Let's make one thing clear. I'm not 100% against shorts, but it's a specific way you actually have to use shorts. And we're going to be breaking it down in this video. And I'm going to break down the channel that has over 100 million YouTube short views and how much money they made off of that channel. Because I know y'all want to know about the money, right? It's about the money. So let's start off the video by explaining exactly what shorts are and when to use shorts. So shorts are like a condensed version of pants that's cut off like above your kneecaps, and you want to use them whenever it's hot outside. You get it? Shorts, pants. Yo, don't do me like that.
Yeah, you lame. Bro, you
Come
lame,
on, man,
bro.
don't do me like that.
Stop
It was
being
funny,
lame,
don't do me
man.
like that.
He lame, y'all.
Yo, cut
He
to the next
lame.
scene of the video.
He lame.
Cut to the next scene of the
He
video.
lame.
Okay, let's talk about why YouTube created shorts. In 2019 to 2020, TikTok became the fastest growing video platform on social media. So all the other social media networks had to do something, and YouTube decided to do something in a hurry. But the number one reason why YouTube had to do something in a hurry is because TikTok isn't just a social media site. It's also a search engine. Keep in mind, Google owns YouTube, and Google is the number one search engine in the world. And do you know what the number two search engine in the world is? YouTube. And this is where the beef/trouble between YouTube and TikTok all started. And I'm not gonna lie, a lot of people start using TikTok as a search engine. And there's two reasons. TikTok is very accurate. I don't know if you ever typed anything in the search engine of TikTok, but it's very accurate. And the videos get straight to the point. And I'm gonna be real, a lot of times YouTube videos, they don't get to the point, yo. Y'all be on here doing a lot of yapping, and the videos don't get straight to the point.
But you stay yapping in your videos and not getting to the
Yo,
point.
son, what is you talking about? I always get straight to the point in my videos every time, yo. Don't play with me like that, yo. I'm dead serious, yo.
Why is you trying to sound like you from New York?
Cause everything sound better when you talk like you from New York,
Yeah,
yo.
that's a no
Yo, it
for
sounds
me.
sincere when you sound like you from New York. All right. Let's get back to the video. But yeah, TikTok became a search engine. I started noticing that when I'm around a lot of my friends, and I'm the type of person that say, yo, look that up on YouTube or Google that. But a lot of them start saying, nah, go to TikTok. TikTok faster. Now I'm telling you this because I want you to know that YouTube didn't have any time to waste, and they pushed shorts out without properly beta testing it. Really, they couldn't. They didn't have a choice. They didn't have another year. I don't think anybody anticipated on how hard TikTok was going to hit the social media networks. So in 2021, YouTube officially released YouTube Shorts. And that's where this video comes in at. Yo, that wasn't really dramatic enough. Can I do that again with a little bit more dramatic music? All right, let's try it again. So in 2021, YouTube decided to release YouTube Shorts without properly testing it. And that's where the problem came in at. Yo, I like that. That was good, right? That was good. Okay, listen up. This is for my people that are starting new YouTube pages and beginners, okay? Subscribers from YouTube Shorts do not watch long form videos. I know what they told you. You got to make a little commercial with your YouTube Shorts and then they'll go over and watch the long form videos. No, they won't. No, they won't. I know what the gurus and I even know what YouTube told you. Listen, I was at this event called YouTube Black Event back in 2023. And this is an event where they invite all the YouTube creators out and they tell us what's going on with YouTube and try to help us grow our YouTube pages. Every room that we were in, they kept pushing post YouTube Shorts. And then on the panel, when it was time for us to ask questions, I remember somebody standing up and they saying, hey, listen, I posted YouTube Shorts. I got hundreds of thousands of subscribers from YouTube Shorts. But when I post a long form video, the views tank every time. How do I stop that? And the people on the YouTube panel that work for YouTube Didn't know what to tell them. They kind of talked in circles like, well, you just got to figure out a way to translate or use the feature that allows them to click. No, it's never going to work. It's never going to work. And it is because their attention spans aren't suited for long form videos. Think about it. Have you ever gone on Instagram or TikTok and said, let me watch a 20-minute video? Never. If you were scrolling on Instagram or TikTok and you saw a video was 20 minutes, you will scroll right past that video. You may watch it for a minute, but you're not gonna watch it for the full 20 minutes. That is the same thing that happens with subscribers from YouTube Shorts. YouTube long form videos and YouTube short form videos are really on two different platforms. They're on the same platform, which is YouTube, but the algorithm is completely different. How you find a YouTube short video isn't how you find a long form video. So basically, YouTube created a TikTok inside of YouTube. Now they did this with the hopes of the short form subscriber would go and watch the long form video. But no. It doesn't work like that. And they also rushed it. And I get it. They had no other choice. TikTok was growing way too fast and they had to catch up. But a lot of your channels are being casualties from YouTube trying to stop TikTok. But Trey, are you saying don't post YouTube shorts at all? No. That's not what I'm saying, okay? Well, that is kind of what I'm saying, but it's not what I'm saying, okay? Let me explain the back end. It's okay to post YouTube shorts, but you need to post YouTube shorts on a different channel. You should have two separate channels, one for your long form videos and one for your YouTube shorts videos. This is gonna give you the greatest chances of making a living on YouTube and the greatest chances of your channel taking off. Now I know what they're telling you. YouTube shorts is the fastest way to grow. And yes, YouTube do push shorts a lot further than they push long form videos. But if you hit all the right points in the algorithm and you are consistent, your long form videos will grow just as fast. This channel is proof. I only have 3 videos on this channel right now, and I've been able to get this channel monetized in less than 50 days. All right, tribe, y'all know I believe in transparency. This is my Learn with Trey YouTube channel. I uploaded my first 2 videos March the 4th. And then you fast forward all the way over here to April the 23rd. My first day being monetized, I made $63.84. The attention span of the subscribers from YouTube Shorts is not made for long form videos. So chances are if they do click on your long form videos, they won't watch it in full. And this is gonna drop your retention rate. And once it drops your retention rate, YouTube is not gonna push it as far as they would have pushed it in the algorithm. This is why it's imperative. It is necessary that your first set of subscribers be 100% pure long form subscribers if you plan on making a living from YouTube. Now, if you don't plan on making a living from YouTube and you just okay with having a whole bunch of subscribers and getting a whole bunch of views and not making enough money to live off YouTube, then yeah, post shorts on your channel in the very beginning. Go ahead, post them. Post long form and post shorts. But I'm telling you now, if you mess around and one of those shorts go viral, it's gonna do this to your channel. You could kiss long form goodbye. All it takes is one short to go viral. I say 1 or 2 to go viral, and your channel will never be able to recover long form. Then you're gonna be officially stuck making YouTube shorts, getting paid pennies on a dollar for every one of your videos. And you don't wanna do that. You don't wanna do that. All right, tribe, look, I'm gonna show you something, okay? If you follow me on Threads, you already know I'm always talking about YouTube shorts. So I posted a thread. I'm gonna read it to you. I posted a thread. YouTube shorts are arguably the worst thing you can do to your channel. YouTube shorts pay pennies compared to long form content, and YouTube shorts destroys your long form content in the algorithm. Now, a guy that I do not know and that does not follow me came and posted this. Good thing I post shorts then. Now he's being condescending. But what I do admire about him is that he posted a picture of his numbers. And I love transparency, right? But he wasn't all the way transparent because you see, he blocked out the estimated revenue. So then I said, you see how you blocked out the estimated revenue? Show us how much you made for the 132 million views, King. I don't mind anybody disagreeing with what I say or going against what I say. But if you do go against what I say, all I ask is that you come with the transparent proof, because I'm always going to be transparent with y'all when it comes to the numbers. Nothing to hide, everything to teach, so that way you can learn. Now, usually when I call people out, they never show the full numbers. But to my surprise, Jason did. Let's see how much he made. Off of 135 million views, Jason made $12,000. Now, don't get me wrong. $12,000 is a lot of money and can change a lot of people's lives. But let me show you something, okay? I went to my channel and I adjusted my time to where it gave me 13.5 million views. This is exactly 10% of the views that Jason has. So with my 13.5 million views, I made over $107,000. So with just a tenth of his views, I made almost 10 times the amount of money as him. So I posted our numbers side by side and I said, okay, tribe, let me show y'all the difference between me and Jason. Jason made $12,000 from 135 million short form views, and I made over $107,000 from 13.5 long form views. Jason would have made $1.3 million if he had those views on long form content. Don't be like Jason. So then Jason posts this. Contrary to your beliefs, you don't know everything. Not everyone wants to make long form videos. Shorts are just fine. Now listen, tribe, let me say this to you. I will never get on this YouTube platform and claim to know everything there is to know about YouTube. I never do that. What I do know is when I tell y'all or give y'all some knowledge is that I've tested it over and over again. I'm not just regurgitating what I heard another YouTuber say or another person say. I will only ever get on here and tell you something that I truly, truly believe in. And if it's wrong, I will have no problem standing on it saying, hey, I'm wrong. So I mentioned him in my next thread and I said this. Feel free to book a one-on-one session. The link is in the bio. Your content is amazing, and with proper guidance, you could be making $100,000 to $200,000 a month by the end of the year. And you see, just because Jason came on my post disagreeing, doesn't mean I'm not down to help Jason. I really do think his content is amazing. The man, if you ever go check out his content, the man makes amazing short form videos. He does amazing photography. He's very skilled. And I really do believe with the right guidance, he could be making $100,000 to $200,000 a month. Now, do you think Jason booked a one-on-one with me? No. Let's take a look at his channel and see where it is today. All right, tribe. So let's take a look at Jason's shorts and let's just click on the most popular ones, right? You can see he has 276 million views on this short, 100 million views on this short. His shorts numbers are amazing. I can't lie. And then we go over here to videos, and these are the videos that are not shorts. And this video is 21 minutes long. And it only has 704 views after 2 weeks. Now look, tribe, the man has 2.5 million subscribers, and this video barely made it over 700 views in 2 weeks. That is proof that shorts viewers, when you build a channel off shorts viewers do not convert over the long form content. Now, if Jason would have booked a one-on-one session with me, Jason probably would be close to being a millionaire right now. But he let his ego get in the way. Never let your ego get in the way of the money, okay? I'm gonna tell y'all like my father once told me, life is like a sandwich. It don't matter which way you flip it, the bread always comes first. When it comes to this money, leave your ego outside the door. Now, there are certain niches that are able to kind of get away with it, like cooking, for instance, comedy, stand-up comedy. But I think those niches are able to get away with it because if somebody watches a short clip of stand-up, they want to see long-form stand-up. If somebody watches a dish that looks delicious, they actually want to see step by step how to create that dish. But even some of those are iffy, right? I see some channels that are cooking that are able to beat what I'm saying, and I see some comedy channels that are able to beat what I'm saying. But it's too risky. It's like 50-50. So even I wouldn't risk it, even if I was in those niches. The safest thing possible that you can do is just to go ahead and create a whole second channel and post your YouTube shorts and your short clips over there and post all your long form videos on the channel over here. Right now, let me show you this landscaping company that does it perfect. And when I say they do it perfect, I believe they really, really do it perfect. All right, tribe. So this right here is one of my favorite YouTube channels when it comes to showing how to set up shorts and how to set up long form videos. Okay. This channel is called SB Mowing. This guy goes around and he cuts people's grass. You've probably seen videos like these before on different social media platforms. He has 4.8 million subscribers on his shorts page. This is SB Mowing Shorts. He just comes over here and posts shorts and clips of him cutting grass. Let's take a look at these numbers. 81 million views, 58 million views, 45 million views. His numbers are very, very, very good. Now, right here, SB Mowing, he has a link to his main channel, SB Mowing, right? This is not the one for shorts. This is just the one for his long form videos. Let's go to it. This is his main channel, SB Mowing. It looks very similar. The only difference is he posts a long form over here. On this channel, he only has 2.7 million subscribers. But if we take a look at his videos, you see this video, I clicked the most popular one. This video has 24 million views, 17 million views, 16 million views, 14 million views over here. All right. This channel has no shorts. You see there is no tab for YouTube shorts right here. When you go to this channel, you see the tab for the YouTube shorts. Go back to his main channel. You don't see the tab for the YouTube shorts. Okay. That's because he's keeping everything pure. And this is the best way to do it, because now he's collecting the YouTube check off of his main page without it affecting his views. And he's collecting the YouTube check off his shorts page. So he's getting the best of both worlds. And let me just click on his latest so you all can see. So he posted this a day ago. It has over 200,000 views. This one a week ago, 900,000 views. This one a month ago, it has 1 million views. This one right here 4 weeks ago, it has 1 million views. You see what I'm saying? So he keeps everything pure. And look at the time on these. 40 minutes, 44 minutes, 28 minutes, 46 minutes. If he posted his shorts in his long form on the same channel, these videos would not have the amount of views that they have. Okay, I'm going to say it one more time. If he posted his shorts in his in these long form videos on the same channel, these long form videos right here would not have this amount of views, and he would not be making the amount of money that he's making. This is the proper way to do it. Now I know some of you all watching this and you're saying, "But Trey, I know a channel that posts shorts in long form and they're doing great." Listen. There's going to always be anomalies, okay? There's going to always be outliers. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is I'm here to give you the greatest chances of getting monetized at the fastest rate. That's all I'm here to do. And I'm telling you right now, from the bottom of my heart, if you post YouTube shorts to a brand new channel, it's going to lower your chances. Not saying it's impossible, but it's going to lower your chances of ever being able to get monetized with long form videos. And if you can't consistently post long form videos, chances are you're not gonna be able to make a living off YouTube. I know very few people who can make a living off YouTube with shorts. You are gonna have to get hundreds of millions of views from YouTube shorts to ever be able to make a living. So just separate the channels. It doesn't hurt. Now it's gonna hurt your pride a little bit, because when you post those long form videos are only gonna get 10 views and 20 views, but that's a part of the game, baby. Try, but look at me. That's a part of the game. You can't escape that. Even I can't escape that. You can't run from that. So don't let that stop your mental. Don't let that hurt your spirit. All you gotta do is get better each and every video. And I'm telling you, you will take off. All right, tribe, as always, thanks for watching the video. If you want to know more about how to grow on YouTube, click the link to this video right here. May God bless y'all on this YouTube journey. I'll see you next video.